Hey Gemini, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading for your soulmate connection, where things are going, their feelings, intentions, what you can expect, and what you should be knowing about this person. This is going to be a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. This is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So let's start. So let's take three cards for you, and then we move to your person. Okay, you guys are doing well. One card for your overall energy, Gemini. Strength card. So I say you guys wanting to stay focused, or like wanting to possibly stay in touch with what is mostly necessary in your life. You guys could also be resisting something that is toxic in your life or staying away. Some of you guys are finding the strength or trying to find the strength to move on from a situation. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, a part of you could be moving away from something that was bad for you towards something that should be healthy for you. Okay, one more card in terms of what can you expect for the next 7 to 8 days. Eight of Wands. So for many of you, I believe you guys are trying to move on, or possibly some of you guys will also be relocating. Okay, but majorly I see you guys going for something new. Okay, I also see some of you like getting messages from someone. There could be a new opportunity or a new situation that comes up. Some of you guys might also be finding a new job or a new or meeting a new person. Okay, in terms of how things are going to be going for you guys for the next 7 to 8 days. With Seven of Cups, I do see some of you being a little confused. Okay, I see some of you having more than one option in the coming days. Okay, with King of Wands, overall, I see things, going fine in terms of your financial life or family life. But when it comes to lovers or new love in your life, I think you're a bit confused between someone from the past and someone present. Okay, you guys definitely have options for many of you. Okay, in terms of your soulmate connection, what's the overall energy going to be like? But I definitely see you getting a lot of attention. Okay, not just from one individual but many individuals. With Six of Cups, I think you guys are thinking about your person. You both are thinking about each other. That is, you are thinking about your soulmate, and your soulmate is thinking about you. Okay, in terms of their overall energy. Four of Wands. How are thinking about you now? Eight of Swords. This person feels stuck to you. Okay, this person, wherever he or she is, even if they are in a relationship or possibly wanting to move on, I see them being stuck to you. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you now? For many of you, I'm getting a very direct message that your partner, if it's a past person, could have been stuck in a third party situation where they are already married or in a committed relationship. I do not think your past person is single. Okay, either they are married or they are engaged or they have a situation going with someone. Okay, and they find themselves stuck to you at the same time, not being able to make things right with you. Okay, so like they are basically stuck at crossroads. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, how do they feel towards Gemini, please? Knight of Swords. They really wish to come forward. They really wish to be around you. They definitely want to talk to you. Okay, in terms of their heart space. King of Cups. So this person still has feelings for you. However, they are not wanting to express it. Okay, in terms of their head space, how do they feel about Gemini? Just like I told you, they have options and they would really like to choose you, but I do think they have blockages. That is, they're already stuck in another situation. Okay, for many of you, this person is definitely coming back for attention. Okay, if you're dealing with someone new, good for you, because the new person seems much more promising. Your person definitely wants to come forward. They definitely are very sexually attracted to you, and they're definitely wanting to choose you and possibly move forward. But if it's a past person, darling, I'm getting a vibe that your person might might want something in and out, like open relationship. They might also want things to be sexual. However, they might not be able to give, like offer that commitment. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you. Intention is to basically get back to you, or meet you, or possibly get back in communication. Okay, I definitely see this person being very eager to talk to you, or to possibly get back to you, like in terms of physically meeting you, going out on a date, or possibly going out for like a small vacation maybe, but they definitely want to meet you in person. Okay, in terms of action, in terms of action with four of cups, this person might take a little more time than usual to make that first move. Okay, but I definitely do not see your past person being single. If it's your past person, this person is kinda resisting you, but they cannot deny the fact that they are still in love with you, regardless if they are married, having kids, doesn't matter. Okay, if it's a new person, your person might take more time to think, but they definitely would come forward. In terms of what can you expect, with Knight of Wands, just like I told you, your person will definitely come forward. In terms of the connection, what can Geminis expect? World. One more card. Two of Wands. You guys are at crossroads. Like when it comes to the past person is definitely at a distance. Just more than physical distance, I see emotional distance. This person not being able to make a decision, and they're still keeping you at crossroads. If it's a new person, your person wants to travel in order to see you. Okay. So one card for Gemini is dealing with the past person, where things could be going for them for the next 7 to 8 days. If it's a past person with Wheel of Fortune, I do see things moving forward. Okay, but the person might go silent all over again, so you can't really expect much from the situation. If it's a new person, Gemini dealing with a new person, Geminis who are dealing with a new person is much more like possibly conservative. They are a bit more possessive. Okay, so I do feel like this person might have a hard time to open up emotionally, but once they open up, they'll want to hold on to you. Okay, overall, where do we see things going for Gemini? Overall, I feel many of you guys are trying to just move on from a past situation towards something new in your life. Okay, and you have to, because the past has nothing much to offer. Okay, in terms of a new connection, where do we see things going forward for the next 7 to 8 days? With Knight of Cups, slow energy, but I do see things going in a positive direction. If it's a new person, your person eventually will open up. Okay, with Queen of Swords, right now they are a bit detached. Even if you guys are in communication, I feel a very detached energy coming from their side, and you might feel like this person is not my types exactly, but the person will take time to open up, and once they open up, you're going to feel at peace again. Okay, in terms of the blockages, so what are the major blockages? Blockages is this person has been keeping secrets from you. They haven't been very honest with you. I also see a third party involvement in some which way. Okay, if it's a new person, what are the blockages? If it's a new person, the Devil card. Okay, so I believe the new person hasn't completely got detached from their past situation, so a part of them hasn't completely moved on, so they might take more time to heal, but yes, they are definitely going to give in more. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, they'll definitely want to get things balanced, but give them more time, because right now I do not see them completely healed from a past situation. Even if they have nothing to do with the past person, sometimes it takes more time than usual to get your mindset away from that past connection. Okay, overall, one card of advice for Geminis. Nine of Pentacles, just stay focused on yourself. Even if you have to stay single to get away from all the drama, stay single, because I see things going very well for you financially. I see things being you know more than decent, okay, financial gains, success, attention, okay, recognition, everything, okay. Just stay focused on your looks, your finances, your body, everything, okay. Because just start doing yourself, just pamper yourself, love whatever that is you need to do in order to heal, in order to feel good, because I don't think you really need anyone, to be honest, okay. In terms of what does this person want from you now? The Tower card. For some of you, I think if it's a new person, they know that you are slightly stuck towards the past. They want you to completely get rid of that connection, and they want you to take that action. Some of you, the new person is waiting on you to take that action forward. Okay, if you've been wondering why the fuck this person hasn't been reaching out to me, then they're waiting on you to reach out. And once you reach out, they will definitely open up. Okay, in terms of love messages, I know this reading has been a little messed up, but try to possibly cooperate with this, because I'm trying to do something new. Okay, excuse my stammering and my pronunciation. I got stage fright. Yeah. I am so ashamed of all that I've done and made you go through. So this person is definitely ashamed of all that they have made you go through. We both have different plans. How can we come together? Differences. So you guys might be having differences, or say it's financial differences, or in terms of jobs, or in terms of like looking at life differently, or like different upbringing. But there are differences definitely in the way. Okay, in the past we have, please go away, I can't give you what you deserve. So this person might have felt like they cannot give you what you want, that is commitment, marriage, kids. So they literally pushed you away. Okay, and last message we have is I want to run my soft hands all over you. I love you, baby. Okay, that is a little cheesy, but yeah. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Gemini. A little messed up reading, but try to, possibly come to terms with it. I tried hard to possibly make you understand every part of the situation, past, new, present. And yes, if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. This is how I read, very straightforward, no bullshit. Okay, and yeah, if you want a personal reading, book one for yourself. Okay, something very similar. Okay, little more sorted, but something very similar. Okay, so yes, thank you so much.